Hey, welcome to Hive, where you can stay up to date with the latest updates about marketing, sales, and business. E-commerce is booming during the pandemic, showing a vast opportunity for entrepreneurs to set up shop and begin selling. Let's activate your mind and start learning what e-commerce is. E-commerce is the method of selling products and services over the internet. Clients come into the website or online marketplace and buy items using electronic payments. Upon receiving the cash, the shipper ships the products or provides the service. E-commerce has been around since the early 1990s when Amazon just sold books, but nowadays it's a multi-billion-dollar industry, and it has gotten indeed more excellent during the pandemic. According to Digital Commerce 360's investigation of U.S. Department of Commerce data, e-commerce spending hit $347.26 billion in the first half of 2020, up 30% year over year. It's not that shocking. With few other choices, buyers got used to buying everything from food to furniture from online stores. E-commerce detonated during COVID-19 pandemic, and the modern online shopping habits aren't going away, which implies opportunities flourishing for small businesses to launch e-commerce websites. So how does e-commerce work? E-commerce works on the same standards as a physical store. Clients come into your e-commerce store, browse items, and make a buy. The big difference is they do not need to get off their lounge chair to do so, and your client base isn't limited to a particular geographic area or region. Whether you're selling walking shoes or home supplies, you go through the same process when operating an e-commerce site. 1. Accept the offer. The client places an order on your site or e-commerce platform. You will be alerted that an order has been placed. 2. Process the order. Next, the payment is processed. The deal is a lock and the order has checked complete. Payment transactions have normally progressed throughout what is known as the payment portal. Think of it as your cash register's online platform. 3. Ship the order. The final step in the electronic commerce process is shipment. You have got to guarantee prompt delivery in case you need repeat clients. Much appreciated to Amazon, buyers are used to getting things within 2 days. To show how it works in activity, here's a look at a product's journey when it has obtained online. 1. A client visits your online shop and browses your items. She settles on a shirt and chooses the measure and color and adds them to her shopping cart. 2. An order supervisor or order administrative software confirms the item is in stock. 3. If the item is available and the client is ready to check out, she enters her payment card details and shipping data on your payment form or page. 4. The payment processor, regularly a bank, confirms the customer has sufficient cash in the bank or sufficient credit on her card to complete the transaction. 5. The client gets a message on the site that the transaction went through. All this happens within seconds. 6. The order is dispatched from the store and transported. The client will get an email that the item is out for delivery. 7. The order is delivered and the transaction has been completed. E-commerce transactions are the same as physical retail transactions in the clients that come to your store, shop for items, and check out. The difference is that it has been done carefully, and you've got to dispatch the things to your clients. What features should an e-commerce site have? To be effective at electronic commerce, you should have a comprehensive list of the items and services you offer on your site or marketplace page. The online shop should be simple to explore, client-friendly, and stylishly appealing. It should also have optimized for versatile gadgets. According to information from e-commerce platform Overlow, mobile commerce deals are set to reach $2.91 trillion in 2020 and increase to $3.56 trillion in 2021. With numerous such customers shopping on portable gadgets, it's basic to optimize your online store for them. The checkout experience is another vital aspect of e-commerce functionality. It is the method the client goes through to purchase your items or service. If your checkout process is clunky and awkward or requires too many steps, you will lose the deal. Shopping cart deserting is a real marvel, and the Baymart Institute finding the normal surrender rate stands at 69.57%. Ensure your e-commerce site has a detailed list of your products or services, is easy to navigate, and makes checkout a breeze. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the live Hive squad and be a part of our channel. Thank you for watching.